Hi friends, Kristine from Kristine in Between here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found your way to this cozy little corner of the internet. But if you've been around a while, you may have noticed that things are looking a little different these days. That's right, I've rebranded. I rebranded my blog and now my YouTube channel to better reflect what it is I truly love and what I want to share. That is the heart behind the modern grandma. No, it's not necessarily about being a grandma, although if you are, that's not a bad thing. This is more about creating a home and a life that feels warm, festive, and meaningful. Whether we're baking cookies, fluffing throw pillows, or just trying to slow down in a very fast-paced world, this is your place. On this channel, you'll find easy homemade recipes, cozy home ideas, a little decorating, a little crafting, and of course, a whole lot of heart. I call it the spirit of the modern grandma. It's simple, it's thoughtful, a little bit nostalgic, and a modern twist. I'm here to show you that you don't have to be a grandma to live like one. In fact, this rebrand is really just me leaning into the things I loved most, creating, cooking, baking, decorating, and sharing it all in a way that feels real. Kind of like we're hanging out in the kitchen baking cookies together or working on a project. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, then hit that subscribe button and stick around. I'd love to have you as part of this sweet little community. And as always, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for following along and growing with me. I'm so excited to see what comes next. I'll see you next time.